Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please join with me. I'm going to show you around Araneta Center, Cubao Quezon City. And of course, I'm going inside also Gateway Mall and Farmers Plaza. How beautiful this place is. Okay guys, without any further ado, let's go! Bago tayo makapasok sa loob ng mall, so required ang magsuot ng face mask and of course face shield for our own safety. Welcome to Gateway Mall guys, and have fun. Oh, it's really Christmas in the air guys. As you can see, there's a lot of Christmas decorations with huge Christmas tree. Even though less crowd, due to pandemic, and some shops here are still closed, but still happy surroundings guys, so you can still come here and enjoy. For your info guys, Araneta Center Cubao LRT2 station is directly linked to Gateway Mall. That's how comfortable if you want to visit this mall. So alternatively guys, you can take also public bus or jeepney if you don't have own vehicle. Guys, before the pandemic, Gateway Mall is one of the busiest malls in Metro Manila due to its accessibility. And aside from that guys, this mall has direct link to Smart Araneta Coliseum, Araneta Center, Farmers Plaza Mall, and Farmers Plaza Metro Station. This is the food court guys, and the cinemas are there in the upper floor, but unfortunately not yet operational due to pandemic. Okay guys, and now let's go to Farmers Plaza so that I can show you how beautiful Farmers Plaza is. So this is how convenient if you want to visit Gateway Mall. At the same time, you can visit Farmers Plaza as well. So everything is under in one roof or one-stop shop. There we go. Welcome to Farmers Plaza. Wow, it's Christmas in the air guys. Just look at the decorations, so beautiful. I feel the Christmas spirit around here. This way guys is the link to MRT Farmers Plaza station along EDSA. Okay guys, let's go to ground floor, the atrium, so that we can see the huge Christmas tree closely and you can take some selfies and all. This is the food court guys, and as you can see only few people are there. Wow, finally I'm here. I can see closely the very beautiful Christmas tree. Wow, just look at that guys, so nice. Happy Halloween guys. You know guys, Farmers Plaza is one of the busiest malls in Metro Manila as well due to its accessibility. But just look at the surroundings guys. There are some shops are closed or not yet operational due to pandemic. I hope the pandemic gonna end so soon. Keep safe everyone. Guys, this is the way out towards Smart Araneta Coliseum or Araneta Center. And there are a lot of coffee shops outside Smart Araneta Coliseum. Okay guys, please watch out my next vlog for Araneta Center so that you'll see how beautiful Araneta Center is. And guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and mabuhay Philippines!